Wind was south at 16 miles an hour.
But I'm like
The current time is 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. This afternoon, partly sunny. Scattered snow showers.
There we go! It's going off. Snow squall warning. It's going off. There we have it. You can hear the other ones in the background.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a snow
The
squall
one I
warning
found
for
recognized warning because it doesn't know it.
northwestern New Jersey.
It's right there.
Somerset County, Central
Yo,
County,
another
Middlesex
snow
County,
squall warning.
North Central Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:45 p.m. At 11:43 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Succossona to Sand Brook, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35
The 12
miles
to
per
6
hour.
2 went off on a recognized
Source,
warning
radar, and
too.
webcams.
Yeah, the 12
Impact,
to 6 2
travel
went
will
off on
become
a
difficult
recognized
and
warning.
potentially dangerous within minutes.
WR300 went
This
off.
includes the following highways:
Yo,
New Jersey
went off.
Turnpike between exits 8 and 13.
Guys, the WR300 and the 12 to 6 2 both went off.
Interstate 80 in New Jersey between Interstate 287
We got
in New
another
Jersey
rear.
between mile marker 0 and 54.
It's
Garden
gonna be a
State
double
Parkway
header,
between mile
obviously.
markers 120 and 134. Locations impacted include
It went
New
off on a
Brunswick,
recognized warning
Perth
because it
Amboy,
doesn't know the
Morristown, Somerville, Newton, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East
gonna be a
Brunswick,
doubleheader.
Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick,
We'll have to find
Carteret,
out.
Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Middlesex, Princeton,
Yo,
and Florham
let's
Park.
go.
Slow down. Rapid
Snow
changes
squall's
in
right there.
visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.
Let's go. Let's see if it's a double header. No,
The
it's
snow
not.
squall warning for central Hunterdon, southwestern Warren, southeastern Berks, southeastern Lehigh, northwestern
It's not a
Montgomery,
double header.
northwestern Bucks, northeastern Chester, and southeastern Northampton counties will expire at 11:45 a.m. The snow squall that prompted the warning has exited the area. Therefore, the snow squall warning will be allowed to expire.
Yeah, 12 to 6 2
Areas
went
of
off.
blowing snow. Counties until 12:30 p.m.
Wow.